Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically create recipes from the recipes you already have in Heartopia. So select the cooking stove, and for instance you have mixed jam. You are able to create raspberry jam and mandarin jam without the recipe. Just switch out the berries with for instance raspberry and mandarin. Let's try with apple. I don't know if that's going to work, so let's try that and switch it up. And let's start cooking. It's going to give you more points for the hobby. So when you have new recipes or new stuff, it's going to give you more points. So let's see if it's going to give me apple jam. Oh, it does. So as you can see, it gave me a new entry from that current recipe. So it's going to give me more points for that. So yeah, that is pretty much it really for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.